Great ideas and technologies are driven by people. People like us, who have the courage and pioneering spirit to keep breaking new ground. People who are highly motivated to make visions come true, always thinking one step ahead. We've been transforming the construction industry for more than 50 years. Systematized and industrialized construction is our passion and recipe for success. As a family-owned business, we operate with the spirit of long-term sustainable partnerships. We are inventors, problem solvers, guides, and instructors. We turn ideas into buildings all over Europe, economically efficient, fast, and reliably. We understand buildings as products that we bring to life for our customers from a single source, from design through the construction phase to value-add services during operation. Our wealth of experience from more than 10,000 realized projects, our innovative strength, and our commitment to driving digitization all ensure that our products perform at their peak while in use. Sustainability included. After all, we define ourselves by our ability to tackle, bring together, and create buildings from a single source. We are Goldbeck. Building excellence.